In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up approval workflows for document reviews on Monday.com so you can streamline collaboration, reduce back and forth emails, and make sure every document gets properly reviewed before it's finalized. Whether you're managing marketing assets, legal contracts, internal policies, or client deliverables, this step-by-step setup will help you build a clean and automated review process inside Monday.com. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com productivity tutorials. All right, let's get started. Step 1 is to create or prepare your review board. Inside Monday.com, either open an existing board that you want to use for document reviews or create a new board from scratch. This board will act as your central hub for tracking every document that needs approval. Now let's set up the essential columns. First, add a file column. This is where team members will upload the document that needs to be reviewed. Next, add a people column. This will be used to assign the reviewer responsible for checking the document. After that, add a status column. This is the heart of your approval workflow because it visually tracks where each document is in the process. Then add a date column to capture the submission date, which helps with tracking turnaround times. Finally, add a text column for notes or comments, so reviewers can leave feedback or request changes directly inside the item. Once your columns are in place, your board structure is ready. Now let's move to step 2, which is defining clear approval statuses. Click on your existing status column and select Edit Labels. Here, you'll want to create a structured flow that reflects your review process. Add statuses such as Submitted, In Review, Approved, Rejected, which can also say Needs Changes, and Resubmitted. These labels create a logical progression. For example, when someone uploads a file, they'll mark it as Submitted. The reviewer can then change it to In Review while they're evaluating it. If everything looks good, they'll mark it Approved. If revisions are needed, they'll select Rejected or Needs Changes. Once updates are made, the document can move to Resubmitted and back through the review cycle if necessary. Having clearly defined statuses ensures there's no confusion about where a document stands. Now for step 3, we're going to automate the approval process, so you don't have to manually notify people every time something changes. Click on the Automations button at the top of your board. For the first automation, we want to notify the reviewer when a document is submitted. Choose the automation recipe that says, when status changes to something, notify someone. Configure it so that when status changes to submitted, it notifies the person in the assigned reviewer column. This ensures that as soon as someone submits a document, the reviewer is automatically alerted. Next, let's create another automation to notify the document owner of the outcome. Add one automation that says, when status changes to approved, notify the owner. Then create another that says, when status changes to rejected, notify the owner and request changes. This keeps communication centralized and automatic. No more chasing people down in Slack or email. Everyone stays informed directly with Monday.com. These simple automations dramatically improve accountability and response time in your review process. Now let's move to step 4, which is optional but highly recommended, creating a dashboard for overview and reporting. Click on Dashboards and create a new dashboard connected to your review board. Here you can add widgets to visualize your workflow. Add a status overview widget to see how many documents are in each stage of review. Add a workload widget to monitor reviewer capacity and avoid overloading one team member. You can include a Files Gallery widget to quickly preview submitted documents and a Table widget if you want a high-level snapshot of all active reviews. You can also track turnaround time by comparing submission dates with approval dates to identify bottlenecks in your process. A dashboard gives managers instant visibility into pending approvals and overall performance. And that's it. You now have a fully functional document approval workflow inside Monday.com, complete with structured statuses, automated notifications, and optional reporting dashboards. This setup ensures clarity, accountability, and faster approvals across your team. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com workflow tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.